Welcome, this is Adjoa Jones, founder of Crystal Clear Interviews, www.prepareforourinterview.com, where we teach talented female professionals how to interview, get hired, and get paid. Now, in today's quick training video, I want to share with you a strategy that we use here at Crystal Clear Interviews called the 3Me Formula to develop answers to your job interview questions. Now, the 3Me Formula is based on our 3 rules of interviewing: the rule of 3, the rule of marketing, and the rule of examples. And in today's quick training video, I'm going to go into more detail about the rule of 3. Check it out. The rule of 3 states that you stick to 3 main points for every answer you give in the job interview. Now, here's why the rule of 3 works. First, it's easy to remember. Even kids can remember the details if you give them only 3. That's why most children's stories use 3s. 3 blind mice, 3 little pigs, 3 wise men. When you stick to 3 points in your answer, you stand a greater chance of the hiring manager remembering what you said in the job interview. Second, providing 3 points is just enough information for you to be persuasive. 2 points is not enough, and 5, 6, or 7 is overkill, and you risk the chance of rambling on with irrelevant information. You always want your answers for a job interview to be brief, articulate, and concise. And finally, when you use the rule of 3 in your answers, you always make it easier for the job interviewers to follow you. So try this next time. At company number 1, I achieved X. At company number 2, I achieved Y. And at company number 3, I achieved Z to describe your major achievements. Or you could use step 1, step 2, step 3 to describe a problem you solved. Or you can also use problem, action, result. This was a problem, this is the action I took, and this is the result I got. These are examples of ways to organize your answers into 3s. Now, questions at a job interview are not difficult to prepare for when you use a strategy like this. Use the rule of 3, be brief, be concise, be polished, and be memorable. Now, if you have a job interview coming up, but you're nervous because you're not feeling ready, you're anxious about how to answer questions properly, or you're afraid you will mess up and not get the job, then download our free video course, and we will teach you the little-known secrets to confidently answer any job interview question, prove you're the best applicant for the job, and attract job offers faster than you ever imagined possible. Visit our website today at www.prepareforourinterview.com, and we will send you instant access immediately. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.